Beasley with the DFW Stump Grinder. I have been stump grinder for the past 6 years in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. If you need any stump grinder, give me a call. I'm experienced. I'm fully insured, and I provide free estimates. I guarantee customer satisfaction on all my work. Let me show you some of my equipment. I have a hydraulic Barretto, 31 horsepower. It goes down 16 inches below the ground. It'll go through 37-inch gates. I can go through, I have not hit any stump that I cannot grind out. So give me a call. I'll provide haul off, topsoil, haul up debris, topsoil, and I can chainsaw the stump if it's too high off the ground. But anyway, thank you. I appreciate it. Give me a call anytime.